This brief video will show an example of scheduling a financial report in Business Objects. The schedule will create settings for when to run the report, what to query from the system, and who gets the data and in what format. The first step is to sign into Business Objects. Then you must select the report that you want to create the schedule for. The one I want is in Public Folders, Finance Public, General Reports. Under the General Reports folder, in the right pane, there are a number of available reports. I'm going to choose the one Budget Status by Orgs. I'm just going to select that report. From the drop-down Actions button, I'm going to choose Schedule. There are a number of items to be completed as shown in the left pane. We are only concerned with the first four. The instance title defaults to the name of the report. You can change that to whatever you want, and basically it's just a name for the schedule. The next item is Recurrence. There are a number of choices from the drop-down. You can choose a number of options for when or how often to run the report. I'm going to pick nth day of the month, and then I'm going to pick the 5th day of the month. Now I have to select a start and end date. I'm going to start this on June 5th of 2016. And I'm going to end it on June 5th of 2017. Then that report will run every 5th day of the month, starting on June 5th of 2016 through June 5th of 2017. The next item is Prompts. This report has 3 prompts that need to be completed. Click the Modify button, and the prompt window comes up. There are 3 items. One is the fiscal month, one is the fiscal year, and one is org code. For the fiscal month, I'm going to choose 12, and I'd recommend that anytime you're going to run a report monthly for a year. The fiscal year is 17, and the org code that I'm going to use in this example is 6 zeros. Those 3 are set, so I'm going to click Apply. My parameters are now input. The next item is Formats and Destinations. The output format defaults to Web Intelligence. You're going to need to change that to either Excel or Adobe. I would recommend Excel. The output format details, you want to select Email Recipients. Then you want to click Destinations, Options, and Settings. And you want to uncheck the Use the Job Server's Defaults box. That'll bring up an email type window. We want to add this report as an attachment to an email, so we're going to click Add Attachment. And then we want to check specific name. You can either type in a name or you can select from the presets. I'm just going to choose Title. That will name the file the title of the report. You're also going to want to check Add File Extension. You're then going to need a from and a to email. The subject can either be something typed in or, again, something selected from the presets. And the same with the message. Once all of those items are input correctly, you can click the Schedule button. And the schedule is now complete and will be run according to the user selected settings.